What's up, YouTube? John here from Paladin Response, coming at you with another video. Today we are going to do a business building tip video. We got our business building hair on, we got our pit vipers on to protect us from the Matrix. Morpheus is lurking around every corner, boys.
Do you want to know what it is?
I'm going to dive right into this, and I'm going to show you guys a quick tip that I found to help myself out and kind of navigate the YouTube specific world with my channel, optimizing it, that kind of thing. The app is called TubeBuddy, and you'll see here when I log into my dashboard, I have another little icon, a little option here. This plugs directly into my channel, and this is called TubeBuddy. So you'll see here I drop it down. I got all these different aspects that I can run. From Keyword Explorer, video topic planners, etc. Analytics, there's a wild amount of stuff, okay? How do you get this, right? So we get this out of the way. I have a link in the description that you can go ahead and click that and go ahead and get signed up. So what you're looking at here, guys, is the pro version. We're not messing with Star Legend. We're not even ready for that, so don't even mess with that at all. If you come to the pro version, you see it's extremely cheap, $7.20 a month, which is really nothing. But if you look down here, you get 50% off if you have less than 1,000 subscribers. You're looking at a very minimal amount of money that you're gonna have to pay for the year. Most of these, anything on this level, and this thing actually blows some out of the water, that are actually $40, $50 a month. Now, it is specific for YouTube, which will also kind of give you, an idea of Google too as well with SEO keywords, because they're pretty much linked. So click that link down there and go ahead and get signed up if you guys want to do this. So we're going to dive into it really quick and just kind of show you kind of just really cursory how it works. You see here when you go to my channel, I have a new area that pops up because I have TubeBuddy installed. It gives me my channelytics, it gives me my ups and downs. You see my channel keywords that I have here. These are my static keywords that are programmed in through my dashboard that are just sitting on my channel. Now, just from looking at this right off the glance, I already know this is wrong. There's a bunch of different aspects of here I need to go in here and kind of mess with and use TubeBuddy for some more research. I need more phrasing, like how to get a CCW, how to shoot a gun, how to reload a gun, how to reload a handgun, how to reload a Glock, things like that that are more phrases that someone's actually going to type into Google, right? Most people do one-word keywords. That is going to kill your channel. And as an example, I have here handgun drills. Okay, so if I put drills and handgun by themselves, I have less of a chance. I'm actually double tapping here by putting handgun drills together, and it's more specific to what I want them to look up. So YouTube wants you to be as specific as possible. This is one of the ways that we can do this outside of tagging the videos individually. Let's go to someone else's channel, right? And this is really for me where the magic really happens. I go here and I'm gonna type in Fieldcraft Survival, popular channel. And so I go here on their channel and you see here I have this new area, same thing as what you've seen on my channel, right? That pops up. So I can get an idea of what they're putting in for their channel keywords. And then where it really gets wild is if I click on an individual video. So I click on this video here and you're gonna notice in this area it's gonna load up and it's gonna give you a whole different analytic on this specific video, right? So I have here best practices, so they didn't have any info cards added, but they did do an end screen, so you can kind of get a feel for things that you might be overlooking that help optimize your video. And these absolutely help in terms of the optimization process of pushing it out in the algorithm, right? Because you're doing what YouTube wants you to do, okay? Tags, etc. right there. You have how many views this had, comments. You even have, like, they give you a little TubeBuddy score. So extremely useful for competitor research. Now, let's say that I go down here and I see, let's see, what keywords are they using? Let's see, everyday carry. Okay, that's interesting, right? They have a 3-word, a little phrase there, everyday carry. This takes me to my Keyword Explorer. It gives me an overall score in terms of how useful this could potentially be to me, right? And the reason why is here in the score analysis. Score analysis tells me this has a massive search volume. For competition, it's not very good, right? This is a hard, this is a very competitive keyword or competitive phrase to use. There's a lot of people putting everyday carry into their videos. You can see here, number of videos in search results, 40.8 million. Because if you're just plugging that same keyword or same phrase every single time in every single video thinking, I'm just doing it to do it, you're going to just get nothing based off your views, right? Because you're not really paying attention to what's out there, what's hot, what's trending, things like that. So I can look over here too and get related searches. You can also look on here for video topics. You can go to Google and you can kind of get an idea of the actual search result. These are all things that you can use in your tags. There is a massive amount of stuff in here, guys, for you to explore, from click magnets, thumbnail generators, health report. I mean, and you're looking around $40 a year, and to be able to just on an everyday basis, just searching videos, or you're doing research, or watching the channels that you already subscribe to, maybe it's Warrior Poet Society or what have you, you can start to understand a little bit more intimately what they're doing. Now, content still has to be good, but if we know that we have the good content and we're just frustrated because we can't get our name out there, this is what you need to do. $40 a year compared to $40, $50 a month. This is huge. Link in the description. Please like, comment, subscribe. We're going to be doing a lot more of this kind of stuff in the future with business building tips. I know there's a lot of guys out there that need help. Please leave any comments down below if you have any questions or any kind of concerns or need any advice, anything like that. I'd be glad to help out any way I can. I appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.